A gorgeous 4+1 bedroom brick and stone executive home situated within the Buckingham Gate enclave of East Pickering welcomed to 2384 Southcott Road. Adding grandeur to its double-door entry are two huge arched windows. Their southerly and easterly exposures flood natural light into the main level foyer area and formal living room, both which are open to above and have soaring cathedral ceilings accentuating their bright and airy spaciousness. Hardwood flooring flows from the formal living room to the adjacent family room, and the gas fireplace in the living room is double-sided, allowing the family room to enjoy its warmth as well. The family room has an inviting atmosphere, and this casual entertaining space features pot lighting and California shutters on its windows, while its oversized entry to the breakfast and kitchen area is graced with stately decor columns. The beautifully updated kitchen showcases a built-in chef's desk, contemporary cabinetry with extended height uppers, stone backsplashes and counters with breakfast seating at the peninsula, a stainless steel double undermount sink, as well as a black fridge, stove, and dishwasher, adding striking color contrast to the light color palette of this modern work area. The foyer ceramic flooring has been continued through the main hall into this space. The kitchen and breakfast room windows, as well as the sliding door walkout, have California shutters, and a hurricane-style light fixture illuminates the breakfast area, where the walkout opens to a fully fenced backyard with raised garden beds and an interlocking patio area for outdoor entertaining. Just off the main hall, and adjacent to the kitchen for entertaining convenience, is the formal dining room. Its entrance graced with decor columns, gleaming hardwood finishes its floor, while a contemporary chandelier adds ambient brightness to this elegant space. The main level also features a powder room with a modern vanity and a glass vessel basin, a large laundry room with access to the double-car garage, a separate side door entrance, and a front-load washer and dryer, as well as a mirrored door double-coat closet, all off the foyer's reception area. The staircase to the upper level is finished with an oak hardwood railing, and throughout this level is a bright, airy atmosphere enhanced by the main hallway's openness to the foyer and living room below, gleaming hardwood floors, as well as 4 spacious light-filled bedrooms and 2 washrooms. At one end of the hallway is the 4th bedroom, which has a turret-shaped wall with 3 windows and a chalkboard wall for creative and imaginative inspiration. Both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms are nicely sized, and these 3 bedrooms share the common use 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled floor, wainscoting, and a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, while its bath and shower area has a separate room for privacy and practicality. The generously sized master bedroom has a west-facing exposure and overlooks the backyard, and its turret-shaped wall is a wonderful space for a sitting area. The master bedroom additionally features a walk-in closet and showcases a gorgeous spa-like ensuite washroom with oversized floor and shower tiles, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a separate glass shower, pot lighting, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. Across from the formal dining room is a sunken landing, where a French door opens to the staircase to the finished lower level. Featuring cozy broadloom and pot lighting throughout, as well as plenty of storage space, this level has a huge recreation area with a wet bar that is ideal for family enjoyment and casual entertaining, a three-piece washroom with a tiled floor, pedestal sink, and corner glass shower, as well as a bonus room with a double French door entry that is well suited as a fifth household bedroom. Within the Buckingham Gate enclave is St. Wilfrid Catholic Elementary School, Southcott Park, a pond, as well as a creek coursing through the woodlands on the south side of this community. Public transit, the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, and Riverside Golf Course are also close by, and this home is just minutes away from downtown Pickering, the GO station, recreational and sports facilities, as well as for access to Highways 401 and the 407.